Hello, good morning and welcome. It's just before 10 o'clock on Monday, the 22nd of January, and the new commitment of traders ratios are out, which have been put on the charts. So on the AUD US dollar, we have a short ratio of 1.4 to 1. Um, I think we might just see a little bit more upside to this. I don't think it's going to race back down. So I think I'm just going to leave this about a week, see what happens. I will sell it back down when it starts moving. At the moment, we're nice and high. We're whoops. Let's just have a look where we are. Yeah, 79, nearly 80 on the RSI, and we've been basically hitting this resistance just above at around about the 80 mark. So we'll see how long it stays there, or if it's going to sell back down. The pound US dollar commercial ratio short of 1.5 to 1. Again, we've hit a little bit of resistance at the top here, and I'm expecting this to fail and move back down. So we'll see where that goes to. We are at 73.8 on the RSI, so it's nice and high. We want a really nice sharp turn down, and we'll see where that comes to. Yeah, USD Canadian dollar commercial short ratio of 1.7 to 1. So we are looking for the Canadian dollar short, so this pair long. We did have a nice green candle on Friday, but when we opened down, and it's gone a little bit further since then. So I'm looking for this to turn back up, a little bit of strength for the dollar perhaps, but the commercials on oil are an extreme bearish position. So if the oil starts to sell off, the Canadian dollar will weaken. Euro USD, we seem to be in a sideways motion at the top here within quite a tight range. I am expecting this to break down lower. We are in fact now below the 69.1, 67.7 more or less, and I'm expecting weakness to follow through this week. USD Japanese yen. Commercials long ratio of 3.7, so that's reduced from last week. We have seen quite a nice fall in this pair, so that's strength in the Japanese yen, a little bit of a pullback, and I think we might see some more strength in the yen this week. We're below the 50 on the RSI, and we're pointing down, which is quite nice. USD Swiss franc. Again, we're nicely below the 50, and we've come down onto a little bit of resistance here. Excuse me. We've got a long ratio for the Swiss franc of 3.2 to 1. I'm expecting to see more weakness in the pair over the coming week, so we'll see where that goes to. As I say, we're below the 50 on the RSI, and we are pointing down. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We still have a long ratio of 1.5 to 1. We're up onto a little bit of resistance right where it is, but I'm expecting a little bit more strength to come through on this pair. I know we broke the trend line the other day, but as you see, we've got another green candle this morning. I think I'm going to wait because I expect a little bit more weakness on this. So we'll see where that goes to. Silver, we've had sideways movement for the last 3 weeks. We've come down and bounced off the 50. I think we're going to move further down. I'm expecting strength in the dollar, which of course will weaken the silver price. So again, I'm on the sidelines with this one. If we hit recent highs, I think I will be shorting it. We have got quite a good position short on the commitment of traders for silver. DXY, the dollar against the basket of currencies. It's down on support at the moment. It's just above the 30.9. Hopefully, it's going to bounce back up. We'll see what happens later in the week anyway, but that's the way I feel. The commitments of traders are very bullish. They've got quite a bullish position for the dollar. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Bye.